We are at the heart of Kikuyu, Kiambu County, showcasing this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow, 150 square meters. As you can see from the front facade, it is very beautiful. You can see actually it's big. So here is where we have our front porch. We are doing our front porch here. For this one, as you can see from outside, we have done the parapet. This is what we call the parapet wall. So the parapet wall comes after the normal wall for every house. So this tells you we are going to do a hidden roof. So for this hidden roof, we are doing a very special hidden roof which opens at the back. So all the water comes right and flows down. The back is open, ready with the gutters to receive the rain waters. So here is where we have our front porch. As you can see, it's very big. I can just walk around. We can even put a table here. It's a resting area. When you're talking about Kikuyu, we mean somewhere where you can come and rest and relax. So I believe this client wanted this big porch so she can relax here in the evening. When she has visitors, she can relax here. We are going to put her socket here so that when she's outside, she can also use her phone, charge her phone, use her computer. So this is like a balcony. So from there, you can see this beautiful window. She was so much into the L windows. L windows bring out the beauty of a house. So you can see this is an L-shaped window. It comes like that and goes like that. You can see how pretty it is. It's a very, very, very huge window. This is one of the features of this house that makes it beautiful and unique. This is not the only L window that we have. We have another one in the master. So you'll get to appreciate the beauty. So here with us, we have the front door here. This is the main door, the 1.2 meter door. 1.2, what do I mean? It has this and this small door. So this is the entrance door. The main door is 1.2 meters. You can see it's well done. The client chose the design. She wanted to do like our Meru project where we have the mirror that you put in the bathrooms, an opaque mirror here that somebody cannot see her through at night. Then we have this beautiful handle. You can see how long it is. Let me open it for you. You can see the handle for easy opening and closing. So for the first room we get into, this is our living room. Look at it. Massive. It's really, really, really huge. You can see you can put around 2 or 3 sets of seats here with all this space. And that now you can see the window very well. You can see the L-shaped windows very well. All these are fabricated and designed by Batir Constructions Limited. So with this space, I know this can fit a whole family here and even friends and visitors. It's very massive. So from there we come to our big dining. This is what we call a 12-seater or an 8-seater. It can fit as many seaters as possible. Very huge with this beautiful window for lighting and aeration for the dining. Then we have this beautiful kitchen. We have not yet completed our worktops, but here is where we are going to have our sink here. We normally put our sink where the window is. So our sink location is around this place. We are going to do it and do our plumbing works. Then we have this beautiful worktop here. She wanted to have it like a breakfast bar, where you can have the main dining and a breakfast bar here. You can have the grandchildren eating around, doing their homeworks as you're doing your cooking. Then you're going to add even more worktops this way up to here. Then from there we have this beautiful pantry. Very big, very spacious. And for this we have added a window there for lighting and aeration, for fresh air to come. When you've stored your produce, fresh air can come in and out. There is easy flow of air. Then we have our back door here. This is a beautiful back door. It it opens up to our back porch here. This is where we have our back porch here. We'll do a beautiful pergola for her, so that maybe she can put the translucent mabati or the glass, the skylight. So that will depend on her. Go to our laundry room here. So this is very spacious. We have done a steel door for maximum security. And now we are going to be doing our washing machine here. Well secured. It's outside the house. If you have someone doing it for you who does not use the house, they can easily access the laundry room without accessing the main house at all. So from there we go. I had said earlier, this is a 3-bedroom bungalow. So I'm yet to show you the 3 bedrooms that we're talking about. And you can see this house has a corridor because of the design. We normally don't like corridors, but it's not as much, it is not as big, so it's just a small corridor. So from the living room you get into the bathroom and toilet. This is where we have our cloakroom and our common bathrooms. 1 bedroom is not en suite, so therefore we have this, a toilet and a bathroom, where these people who are not having their rooms and suite can share the common rooms there. So we have the first bedroom here. You can see very spacious and very big. With this design, in my mind, it replicates the Kamango design somehow, but this one is a bit bigger. You can see how the room is big and massive. Then we go to our master bedroom here. You can see how spacious it is. You can see the beautiful L-shaped windows, and as I had said earlier, the one at the sitting room is not the only L-shaped window. The client insisted she wanted an L-shaped window for her bedroom. So here we have our master bath. This is en suite. So we have a master bathroom here. It's very big and spacious. You can have our shower here and the toilet there. We do a glass cubicle to separate the toilet, and the bathroom do a good vanity there or a sink to make it very beautiful. Then we have our last room here. Work is still going on. You can see we are doing our roofing, that's why we can't get in, but you can see those beautiful windows. It has unique windows. You don't have the necessarily the big windows. You have 2 small feature windows and 1 big window for maximum lighting. Thank you so much. Continue following us. Let's see how this project progresses and how it will end up to be. And we appreciate how the architectural design and how we will have done the construction. Thank you.